Arch Linux versus Kubuntu, which Linux distribution is better? Choosing the right Linux distribution can completely change how you experience stability and customization without sacrificing usability. Arch offers a DIY approach, while Kubuntu provides a user-friendly desktop. Arch Linux and Kubuntu are two popular Linux distributions with distinct philosophies. Arch is a minimalist rolling release system focused on user control, while Kubuntu is an Ubuntu-based distro featuring the KDE Plasma desktop for an out-of-the-box polished experience. The core difference lies in customization versus convenience. Arch Linux is a lightweight, flexible Linux distribution designed for users who want full control over their system. It follows a rolling release model, meaning software updates are continuous and cutting-edge. Arch is built from the ground up, allowing users to install only what they need through its simple base system and the Arch user repository. This approach offers unmatched customization and learning opportunities, but requires familiarity with Linux commands and manual configuration. Arch's strengths include its extensive documentation by the Arch Wiki and a strong community that supports troubleshooting and customization. However, this DIY nature can be challenging for beginners as initial setup and maintenance demand time and technical knowledge. Arch Linux is ideal for experienced users and enthusiasts who prefer a hands-on approach, want the latest software, and enjoy tailoring their operating system precisely to their needs. Kubuntu is an official Ubuntu flavor that combines the stability and extensive software support of Ubuntu with the elegant KDE Plasma desktop environment. It provides a user-friendly interface with pre-installed applications, making it accessible for both newcomers and experienced users who want a visually appealing and functional desktop out of the box. Kubuntu uses a regular release cycle with long-term support versions, ensuring system stability and security updates over extended periods. The KDE Plasma desktop is highly customizable, allowing users to tweak appearance and behavior without deep technical knowledge. Kubuntu excels in offering a balance between ease of use and flexibility, supported by Ubuntu's large software repositories and community. Its limitations include less control over system internals compared to Arch and less frequent access to the latest software versions. Kubuntu is ideal for users seeking a stable, ready-to-use Linux system with modern aesthetics and solid support, especially those transitioning from Windows or macOS. Comparing Arch Linux and Kubuntu highlights key trade-offs. Arch's rolling release model delivers the newest software and full control, perfect for users who want to customize every detail and stay on the cutting edge. However, this requires more time for setup and maintenance, which can lead to occasional instability. Kubuntu offers a polished KDE experience with a stable release cycle and long-term support, ideal for users who prioritize reliability and ease of use. It provides a smooth transition for those new to Linux with a visually rich desktop and pre-configured tools. In real-world scenarios, Arch suits developers and Linux enthusiasts who enjoy learning and tweaking their system, while Kubuntu fits everyday users, office environments, and those wanting a hassle-free Linux experience. Choosing between them depends on whether you value control and freshness or stability and convenience. Choose Arch Linux if you want maximum customization, the latest software, and are comfortable managing your system manually for a truly personalized Linux experience. Opt for Kubuntu if you prefer a stable, user-friendly Linux distribution with a beautiful KDE desktop that works well out of the box. It's perfect for those seeking a reliable, visually appealing system without the complexity of manual setup.